It is so much more than just a level. Hiyo, welcome back to Imagine Your Odyssey. I am Jason, and today I wanted to talk about a level. Well, not just any level, a multi-use tool and how you can use it on your travel trailer or even your fifth wheel to help you out with your everyday needs. First and foremost, what is the level good for in its primary use? And that is leveling your RV. Put it on the floor, and you check side to side and front to back of your RV to check for level by looking at this little bubble right here. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I use this for more than one purpose, and I wanted to share a couple of those items with you. One of the uses that you can use this for is your slide out. Actually being able to tell if your slide out has enough room to come out when you get to your campsite. You can do that by marking on the face of your level right here how far your slide out is out. So what you're going to do is take your level and put it up inside the RV like this. And then you're going to go on the top right here with a magic marker, and you're going to mark how far your slide out is out. Once you get to your site at your campground, when you're pulling in and you need to know whether or not your slide out has enough room or space so the slide out can come out without hitting anything, you can take your level then and put it up beside your RV like this, and you'll have your mark right here. So as long as there's nothing to obstruct and you know that that mark is clear for the slide out to come out, you're good to go. If you like this tip and you're going to want to use it for yourself, I have a suggestion for you. If you're going to write on the face of this where your mark is, then try to make sure that you write down which side that you need to use to know where your slide out is going to be. That way you don't have to worry about using the wrong side of the mark that is on your level. Another really cool tip that you can use a level for is a reminder to where your hitch was when you took it off of your tow vehicle. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your level, you're going to put it up beside the hitch like this, and you need a roll of tape. And you're going to take that tape and you're going to stick it just like that on your level. That way you know exactly where the hitch height is when you take it off of your tow vehicle the first time. What I mean by first time is that you want to do this as soon as the hitch comes off the ball of your tow vehicle. The reason for doing that is so that you know where you need to be when you raise or lower your camper just before you hook your tow vehicle back up again. Also, another little neat thing, just so happens that the distance of my slide out when it is out just so happens to be the same height that the nose of my travel trailer needs to be when I am at home. So every time I leave and come home, I can actually take the nose and set it to the black mark on my level, and I'll know that I'm pretty much level every single time from front to back. For a few quick notes about my level that I like to use, one is that it is 4 foot long. The reason for it being 4 foot long is to make sure that it's long enough to do everything I need. Everything from how far the slide out needs to come out, to leveling the inside of the RV, and being able to know that I have enough length in order to be able to set the hitch where I need it to be so that I can have it ready when I'm disconnecting or connecting my tow vehicle. And one last thing that I would suggest about the level, if you're going to get yourself one, is to have a little slot right here like this one. That way I could take my level and I can set it up like this, or I can lay it on its side and I can still see what I need to see on the little level ball right here. It's a lot easier, especially if your level is set like this on the floor of your RV and you have to open and close the door to be able to set what the level looks like of your camper, and it falls over. Well, if it falls over, then you may not be able to see the bubble. So if you lay this on its side on the floor, it's not as likely to do that and it's easier to see. One last tip is actually using a flashlight. Now, it may not seem like you want to use a flashlight with a level, but get this. If you take the flashlight and you set it on top of the level like this, and the light shines through, you can see the bubble a whole lot easier. If you set it like this, you can do the same thing, set it on the top, and you'll be able to see the bubble easier. Once again, I am Jason with Imagine Your Odyssey, and if you have other different tips that you'd like to share about how you use your level, or any other different types of tools that you have multiple purposes for, then share them down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button or clicked on that bell just yet, go do that right now. And until the next time, find different multiple uses for your tools, enjoy your trips, and God bless.